All right, so check it out. We're week 2, day 1 DLR, and here's what we already discussed. We went over the fact that it says many childs ride onto a bus every day, but really it should be many children ride on a bus every day. And there were 2 errors there, and we read and we edited and we wrote. So now we're on the second sentence. It says it's important to stay and use seat when bus is moving. And Gabby Neal told me that it should be your seat. So what else is wrong with this though? Because there's more wrong with it. Yeah, Alora. Should be so it's important to stay in your seat when a bus is moving. Yeah. All right. There's one more mistake here. It's a contraction mistake, right? You guys know what contractions are? Go ahead. A brown one. It does because it's really it is, right? Right? That's a contraction for it is. I could read it like this. It is important to stay in your seat when a bus is moving. I think that's it. And you guys see anything else? 1, 2, 3 corrections. So we read, we edited, then we'll write it out, right? You guys make sure you write it out nice and neat because I'll see that in your photos if it's not done correctly, right? Right? It's important to stay in your seats, right? When a bus is moving. All right, good. All right, take a look at the next one. It says, write the missing word, right? We have must, should, and can. There is a law that buses must stop at railroad tracks, should stop at railroad tracks, or can. Why don't can or should work? We know these are not it, but why? Why doesn't should work? If there's a law, right? A law means that you what? Should stop or must stop? Right. So should doesn't work. And then does a law mean that you can stop at railroad tracks or you must? The law states that you must do it. You can't choose. Should, yeah, exactly right, Coville. Can and should kind of leave it up for choice, don't they? But must is more of a precise way of saying it's a law and you have to follow it. People who drive buses must be very, yeah. People who drive buses must be very what? Yes, right here. Helpful, or would you say? Careful, yeah. Right? If you're driving a bus, which is the most important for a bus driver? It's not helpful or friendly. I mean, it'd be nice if they were helpful and friendly, but they must be careful, right? That is a must, right? All right, there's your DLR, week 2, day 1 in the books.